Welcome to the Fax tab inside Communication. Here, you'll see two sections outgoing. Here's a quick preview of both tabs so you can get an idea of how they look when they're filled with data. Now let's return to the main view. At the top, you'll find the new fax icon. Go ahead and click it to open the Send Fax window. From here, you can enter all the necessary details step by step. Start by filling in your company information. Then add your sender details, followed by the receiver details, and include any comments if needed. If you need to attach a document, just click Choose File and upload your file. Once everything is complete, simply click Send. Your fax will be delivered instantly, and you can view all your sent or received faxes anytime in the Outgoing and Inbound tabs.